Hiya everyone, are you alright? On this last day of the year, we're going to be drawing inspiration from the various haircuts I've had over the years. Is that okay? Alright, let's do that then, okay. This one is called See You at the Top. You get it? High top, see you at the top. Although you've had a bit of a twisty year, don't let your goals or dreams fade away. You get it? Because it's fading, fade away. Fade it? Yeah. 3 strikes. That means if you don't succeed the first time, try and try again. Someone said focus means following one course until successful. You get it? One line, one course. Things might get rough. Things might get tough. I mean, real tough. You know what I'm talking about? Real tough up in here. Yes, it's tough, but keep your chin up. Keep your chin up, people. Don't look down. Keep your chin up. The arrow says go forward. Keep going forward, people. Go forward. 2019, new year, fresh start. It's your time. Come on.